Hi, this is PC Help in Hand, Learn and Repair for the Community. Today I will show you how to install applications from the Play Store on Android. Click on Apps. Scroll down until you see Play Store and click on it. At the top of the page, click on Search for Apps and Games and type in the name of the application you require. For example, Spotify. Click on the application. Now click Install. Your application is now downloading. Spotify is now installed on your device. Thank you for watching. More tutorials coming soon.